Hey guys, welcome back to the channel, or welcome if you're new here. Thank you for joining me today. I really do appreciate your support. So I'm on a bit of a roll with these swatches. They're all palettes that I got for Christmas. So this one I got from Lisa from Banning, Panning and Beyond. So I thought I would do some swatches on it now. And then this one I got for myself in, I don't think it was in the Black Friday sale, but I definitely got it in the sale. Remember all that trouble I had? If you're a regular watcher on here, you'll know I had a lot of trouble with Look Fantastic, and they gave me a refund, and I got the Natasha Denona bronze palette. I got this in the sale for, I think, £17, which isn't bad as it comes with that brush as well. But now, it's ridiculous this, but now I don't know if I want it. I mean, I'm going to be swatching it, so I'll be able to tell you after that. I do like this gold though here, but the rest of it I'm not too sure about. But I can't, after I've swatched it, I won't be able to send it back, so I'll have to keep it. But you know, it's like one of those things that you want and then something goes wrong and then you don't want it anymore. That's what it feels like. But this one I definitely want. So again, this is the Natasha Denona Mini Gold Perfect Companion palette for the bigger gold palette. So that's what it looks like. So let's get to swatching. Right, so we've got this here, and that's come from one of the Pat McGrath Labs. I think it was the Voyeuristic Vixen one. So you'll see those swatches before these ones. So we're going to go in with a shade first. So this one, and that one is, I think it's Lodge. If we're working that way, it's Lodge. If we're working in another way, it's, I don't know, Anthea or something. I think it's Lodge though. So that's what it looks like. That's a pretty shade. It's almost like a mustard brown. Then we have got, yeah, I'm working the right way, Dark Sepia, which is this one here. So that's Dark Sepia. And then this gold I've already tried. It's like a duo, well it is a duochrome that I can see the reflect on it. So that one is Door. Not as in front door. D''O''R. This is what the palette, oh, it's so beautiful. That is what makes the palette. Whoever's got this palette, am I wrong? Please leave me a comment down below. And then we've got a really nice khaki shade here, and that one is called Bia, B-I-A. That's nice as well. That one there. Then the last shade, right, it's spelled A-N-T-H-E-I-A, Anthea. It's probably not that, but that's the way I'm pronouncing it. It's probably pronounced a completely different way. So this is it here. It's like a khaki green. I've not swatched this shade yet. Oh, that's nice. Swatch that again. So that's that one there. Still, this shade is my favourite shade in the palette. It really does remind me of lime chrome. I need to do a swatch of lime chrome and that at a later date. Lime chrome's a lot lighter, it's a lot sheerer, I remember it. This looks like the darker option to lime chrome. I'm probably wrong, I was wrong last time, but in my mind it does look like it. Let's turn it down, this light. So, it's too dark. So that's what they're looking like. Look at that shade. Love it. So this is the Natasha Denona Mini Gold. They're all the swatches. Thank you for joining me today for this little swatch party. I really do appreciate your time and support on the channel. It means the absolute world to me. If you've got this palette, let me know in the comments. Let me know what you think of it. Please like, subscribe, share and comment, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye guys.